Hello friend, in this video we will see the HR tag and BR tag. Friend, HR tag stand for horizontal rule in HTML. So whenever you want to add a rule in a page, you can use HR tag. Okay. Second thing is, with using HR tag, you can use it as a menu button for your mobile devices. If you visited any mobile website, you can see a small 3 lines top of the page. So all these 3 lines are made using HR tag by formatting it using CSS. Okay. Second is BR tag. BR tag used for break your current line. So consider you have used one paragraph tag and you want to break line without using new additional paragraph tag. So in that case you can use BR tag. BR tag break current line and start new line from that tag. These both tag are the empty tag. Empty tag means it's not having closing tag. It are self close or empty. So we will see the example so you will get the correct idea. I have taken one example here. Consider this example. I have written Johnny Johnny as Papa poem and I want to show it to the viewers. So when I rendered this poem here, it is come in just 3 paragraphs, but I want to render it like this. Okay, so Johnny Johnny in one line, as Papa in second line, eating sugar in third line, just like this. But it is appearing a single line. So in this case I will use BR tag at each and every line. So see what the difference we get. Johnny Johnny in first line, as Papa in second line. So this is what the work of BR line. It is just break the current line, start new line. So I can also achieve this result by adding P tag to each line, but it is not get the point using P tag for each and every line. It is not meaningful to use P tag for each and every line. So in that case you can use BR tag to break line and structure your content. Okay, now what is the HR tag? So consider after each paragraph I want to add a horizontal rule. In that case I will use this HR tag. Consider this example. After each text, okay, after each paragraph I have used this HR tag. See, this is our example. This is our first HR tag, this is our second HR tag. But this tag appeared smaller. Why? Because I used one width attribute here to specify its width. So I just want it width just only 150 pixel. So that's why it's appear only 150 pixel. You can give any width to it. So in second HR I have not given any attribute, so it is taken the complete row and it is shown horizontal rule for complete row. You can also align your HR tag center, left or right. If you are not specifying it, it will appear in center. See this. Okay, but I want to appear it here, that's why I used align it to left. Okay, so friend, this is what our HR tag and BR tag doing. Let's see its biography. BR tag and HR tag both are the empty tags. So empty tag written like this, tag name and its self close inside its opening tag. Okay, it is displayed like block element, both element displayed like block element, all major browser supported, all attributes supported, and there is no HTML5 recommendation for both the tag. In next video we will learn how to use bold tag and strong tag. Thank you.